Do you want to save time and money packing and shipping your parcels? Let me introduce you to Octopia Fulfillment, an ultimate logistics solution to handle all your e-commerce orders for all of your platforms. Octopia Fulfillment is a continuous link between your selling space and our logistics services. We completely automate your storage, packing, dispatching, and further management of your fulfillment orders. We can store, pick, pack, and deliver your orders to more than 20 European countries, benefit from our large-scale shipping methods, and make your final customers happy. Whether you're a large retailer shipping thousands of orders per month or a brand new e-commerce website, we are flexible and have over 10 years of experience in e-commerce logistics. Join us now. Our teams are waiting to support you and to help you grow your business.